With remeshing in RapidPipeline, you can drastically reduce the face count of models with complex geometrical detail without sacrificing visual quality, like this Wicker sofa. This sofa model has 1 million triangles, 80% of which are tied up in the intricate Wicker mesh. Traditional destination can handle this well, the output topology would not look good. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside the RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Remesh and Bake Hold. You can tweak some settings, like face target. Then, click Run. The selected Wicker part is now remeshed, meaning a brand new cling topology has been generated using shrink wrap. In wireframe view, you'll see the holes have been baked into the alpha channel. All the original texture and material information has also been baked. The result is just 10,000 triangles, well below our original 50,000 target. This is because the target acts as a ceiling, and not the fixed goal. When using remeshing, the resolution determines how much the original shape will be softened. Here, a value of 6 closes the gaps nicely, but other models may need different values. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.